Alright guys, welcome to my weekly weigh-in. I'm sorry I'm a little red. I'm a little toasty. It's bajillion degrees outside. I'm already sweating. I just got in my car. So weekly weigh-in. This week at the Weight Watchers scale, I lost 1.1 pounds for a total of 19.1 pounds. I'm very happy with that loss. As you guys know, I've been struggling with getting on track because of one weekend was Labor Day. Then the next weekend was Hurricane Irma, and all that, and hurricane food and whatnot is not healthy food. So I had, I think, to gain, or I said the same. I don't really remember, to be honest. But I was happy to get back on track this week. I did take my Teamy colon tea a lot, so that was really helpful of just getting back on track of the Teamy colon. I actually purchased a new one, which is going to be arriving soon, and also the tumbler, which I'm really excited to come. So we'll start that back up. I had, if you want Teamy, budget 15 and you get 15% off your order, which is awesome. Awesome deal. They're great. Such a great company. I know with the girl all the time. So we are currently, let's see, today is Thursday. 15 days until the wedding. 15 days, that's crazy. I'm getting married 2 weeks from tomorrow. So we are gung-ho. But to be honest, guys, this is my final stretch to lose this weight and, kind of get my pouch down, my pooch down, and just kind of, total slim down, tone up, last haul. But it's hard with all of these meetings. It has been so crazy. Let me just tell you this week. Are you guys ready? So Monday we had to go and pick up the suit. So we picked up Jamie's suit and his dad's suit, made sure the tailoring was good. And then with Men's Warehouse, he gets a $400 credit with the store for purchase only. So we went and picked up some stuff for that, like his vest we put on that, his shoes, a shirt, different things like that. Then we had to finish working on the place cards because we're making the place cards to save money. So we had to finish making those, which I think his mom still has to finish. We have to make them stages with the burlap and the glue and the construction paper, everything. So that was Monday. Tuesday night, we had to go meet with the videographer for an hour at 6. Then we had to drive another 30 minutes and go and meet with the DJ and wedding planner, their couple, and we met with them for 4 hours to plan out everything. I was so tired after. I go to bed at 9:30. We were there till after 11 o'clock. I felt like truck hit me as I was driving home. And but I feel so much better about everything. We planned out the ceremony, the reception, everything, and it's gonna be so much fun. It is gonna be such a party. It's so many classy but fun, and it's gonna be awesome. We're gonna have live musicians with the DJ. We're not going all out. There's a lot more that we'd like to do with it, but we're gonna go all out on the budget that we have. So that was last night. Tonight I am going to meet with Jamie's mom. We're gonna go to Hobby Lobby and pick up a bunch of stuff because Hobby Lobby, if you didn't know, they have a his and her line, which is their wedding line. And every other week, the line is 50% off. And then a lot of their other stuff is as well, tulle, ribbon, all of that stuff. The majority of their store is 50% off every other week. So this week it's 50% off, and then the wedding week is 50% off. So I want to go and get everything we can this week. And we have to buy some stuff, large amounts, so we may have to order and stuff. So I want to do it tonight so that we can still get it picked up before Saturday when they change the sale days. And I have to take work home. I have a ton of work here that I have about 2 or 3 hours worth of work that I have to take home. Okay, Thursday I have to go to dress fitting, and then we have premarital counseling, and then Friday I have a a funeral. My aunt passed away, so I had the funeral for that. This lighting is terrible. Friday I have a funeral that's like 45 minutes to an hour away. So I have to jet up there to that. Then Saturday I have to meet with the venue and give them a check, and we have some details to work out. Saturday afternoon we have I have to babysit when my coworker is getting married, and so I'm doing like the babysitting for her nephews and stuff. So I'm babysitting all night Saturday, and my sister's coming into town, which I have no clue how she's going to get picked up from the airport, what she's going to do while I'm babysitting. She may just have to Uber and then figure out how to get into my place. And then Sunday we have my bridal shower. And we have a hurricane coming. So we're praying we don't get the hurricane. We're like it's crazy. So much stuff going on. So yeah, I'm sorry these weigh-ins are coming into like weekly updates, but it's just when I can really talk to you guys and connect with you guys. So that is what's going on. I'm so sorry that this is a day late for the weigh-in, but yesterday was just too crazy. I couldn't film and get it up. So it's a day late, but I hope you guys will forgive me. Tomorrow is Dumping Debt Friday Q&A, so I'm so excited for that. It's going to be a really good one. Lots of really, really good questions. If you have any questions, please let me know, whether it be weight loss related, wedding related, financial, anything. Let me know, and I would love to answer them for you. So guys, I will talk to you later, and let me know how you guys are doing on your weigh-ins. And I'm sorry that the lighting, why is the lighting so bad right now? So yeah, so let me know, guys. All right, I will talk to you later.